Uke wabona umuntu wesilisa akugijimise high and low, akufune like ubone ukuthi ngaze ngafunwa, ngaze ngayi-wanted, ngaze ngayigolide, ngaze nga-special. He? Kanti ukugijimisa nje nento akugijimisa ngayo ayikho, 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 ayikho. Ngithi ayikho mengabe ngithi ayikho. Nayi indaba, usisi ubhalile. Short and sweet story. Ima kanjalo ngoba siyeza.
Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalula lwezibhekane zona esihambela le kude phezulu. Do join.
It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. Yeah. Lalela. Ngizoyicula le intro. Up until wena uzofunda ukuthi uma ubuka ama-story times wethu la, ubuke wonke ama-adverts. Ngoba kubalulekile ukuthi ubuke ama-adverts. Ama-adverts iwona phela asisizayo ukuthi u-YouTube asihlephulele 1 cent kule mali ama-advertisers abayifakayo la ku-YouTube. Ngoba phela khumbula ukuthi u-YouTube ufana nse no-SABC, ufana nse no-DStv, ufana nse no-Showmax. So unama-investors afaka imali ukuthi ba-advertise, baveze izinto zabo. That is why you keep on seeing those adverts. So make sure ukuthi futhi at the same time you like, you comment, you subscribe, you turn on that notification bell so that mangabe sifaka i-story time esisha phela wena singakuphutheli. Uthi usisi Zandile ngicela ungibuzele kubantu besilisa ukuthi yini indaba i-ego yabo ingaka, is bigger than them, is bigger than life. Wangigila umlisa. Zinti izinyanga umfana engigijimisa. Kanti ungigijimisa nje umfana ayikho nokuba khona into angigijimisela yona. Uthi ke usisi Zandile yazi enye i-event ekusamele sibe nayo le, ngiyakucela, ngiyaku-challenge Zandile because I know ukuthi you do educational events. Enye ama-events ekufanele sibe nayo le, whereby we talk about confidence and sexuality, ukuthi these things, confidence, sexuality / pride, ukuthi these two don't mix. You can be confident, you can have your pride, but when it comes to sexuality icontrola ukuphila kwakho kuwena. Uthi naye indaba yami ihamba kanje. Uthi Zandile ngahlangana nobhuti akamuhle, ufundile incwasimende, ayikho into ashoda ngayo, ngasho ngathi nami ngayithola indoda. Uthi hhayi-ke into engididayo, ubhuti ungifuna eziketini, lo muntu sekuphele almost 3 to 4 months sazana, ayikho into ayikhulumayo ngaphandle kwesiketi nengubo, even ngisho ama-jokes wakhe a-around ekulaleni. Uthi ngiqale lento ngiyibuke ingangihlali kamnandi ukuthi hayi, this guy yena njalo mekakhuluma nje ukhuluma ngocansi, njalo ukhuluma ngocansi. Uthi kuthengela elinye ilanga-ke kwathi gidi i-red flag yami leyo yathi ukuwa kancane mekakhuluma ngokuthi-ke uyangi-invite into a particular event. Well, uMogai is a high profile person, well academically ufundile, so umuntu nje ohleze up and down, o-attend ama-conferences, o-deliver amaphepha, you know that those kinds of people abaphila leyo mpilo leyo yokwehla wenyuka nje, abenza ama-research. So uthi nje umuntu ogxile kakhulu ey'ntweni zama-events, sorry, ey'ntweni zaka-research. So uthi-ke uMogai-ke that day angi-invite ukuthi hhayi-ke u-invite-iwe isikhungo thizeni ukuthi ayo-present-a some findings from one of the researches ake azenza before. Uthi la engazi ngathi kwathi gidi ukuthi okay. So uyabona, uyafuna ukuthi ngibonakale naye kwi-public because all of this time lo muntu lo kokuqala mina ungitshela ukuthi akazihambe izindawo ezi-public. Akawahamba ama-mall. So if ungawahambi ama-public places, ungawahamba ama-mall, mina nawe sobonana kanjani? Ngoba phela indaba yami nawe mawukuthi u-serious ngokuthi ukhuluma ngomjolo, kufanele siqale sibonane lapho, have cup of coffee, have a drink, have a meal or whatsoever. And wena uzongitshela ukuthi you eat the food ozitshalele kona. Well, let me specify ukuthi uMogai kuthiwa bekayi-vegetarian, a hardcore vegetarian, edla ukudla ezitshalele yona, akadli ezitolo, akadli ema-restaurant, akadli emzini yabantu. Umuntu nje ophila kwiplanethi yakhe yedwa, yo. Uthi yazi Sandile, yazi lento yavele yangibhora nje, iyawuwisa ubhontshisi bhu phansi ukuthi umuntu muni lo, mina ngizophila mpiloni nalo muntu. Uthi okay fine-ke i-red flag ngayiwisa. Mzukwane ngi-invite-ke in one of the research symposiums that he was about to have somewhere. And at some point, he also invited me to a book launch somewhere in one of the places. So I was like, oh, okay. So I can be seen with him in public. Kulezi zindawo zakhe azihambayo. So I can't be going with him in public, ema malls and restaurants and things like that. Okay, fine. I can live with that. Maybe I'll get to understand the caliber of a person engihlangane naye this time around. Ngoba phela hayibe sihambe sidobha nkosi yami, sidobha sizama lapha nalaphaya, sidobha sithika sibona ngazuthi kuyahlangana. Ngizoke ngibone ukuthi pende muni lo ngihlangane nawo today. Uthi hhayi-ke ku-book launch angiphumelelanga ngoba ngangibhizi nami mhla engidinga ukuthi and it was a short notice. Kodwa kule ayezokhuluma kuyona i-speaker esixavile ngathi cha noma kanjani ngenza ama-arrangements nje kahle kakhulu futhi ngoba something yayizokwenzeka after work. Ngahamba-ke sahlangana naye, wayengekho ngisho in the city on that particular day. So sahlangana phambili kwi-event ngoba wayengekho on the city, wayehambele enye into futhi emayelana nama-research wakhe awenzayo. So sesihlangana khona laphaya. Kwawukuthi-ke kusho ukuthi into ezongilungela mina ukuthi kusho komele ngihambe nama-colleagues wakhe ngoba it was quite a distance away, about 120 kilometers from where I work to where the event was actually going to happen. But fortunately la engisebenza khona bakhona abantu ababezoya kwi-event leyo ngoba naye wayeke wasebenza kule ndawo engisebenza kuyona. So abantu abaningi bayamazi laphaya and into ezikanjalo-ke bayazi-attenda-ke ngoba indawo vele emayelana nama-research and things like that. Uthi hayi sihambe-ke ngifike lapha, obviously masizohlangana la sizohlangana khona kwi-conference leyo, uzodeliver i-speech and ngiyayibona i-program ungithumelele i-program. It looks like it finishes at 10:30 in the evening. I cannot be driving back because vele kwakusuka kwami le ngisuke nama-colleagues anginikeze u-lift o-organize uyena. So mina ngishiyile imoto, ngishiye kephi, ngishiye la ahlala yena khona ngoba it was going to be safer there. I could not leave it at work because nge-weekend emsebenzini kuyavalwa. I-parking angeke ngikwazi ukuyi-access imoto uma ngabe sengibuya ngesikhathi engibuya ngaso. So hhayi-ke sihlangane-ke kube i-event emnandi, we are networking, siyakhuluma nabantu abakwi-high profile, siyakhuluma nabantu yabo abakulo mkhakha nathi sikuwona engeke ngiwusho ukuthi umkhakha lo hey ushilo girl, kodwa ngeke ngikutshele wena awuthanda izindaba. Okay, uthi kwemnandi-ke, uthi i-event ayiphelanga ngisho nango-10:30. I-event yaphela ngabo something to 12 because i-finger lunch yakhona was after the speeches and everything, and yaze yaqala mhlampe ngabo 11:30. So-ke kwawukuthi-ke vele abanye abantu sebejahe ukugoduka, but people managed to eat and mingled and networked and everything. Yaze yaphela something to 12. Kwaphoqa ukuthi-ke vele-ke sengiyolala naye ehhotela la abambhukhele khona. Uthi sahamba sawolala day 1 kwaba nje, thank you so much for coming ukuthi uzongisupporta kule event and mwa. Day 1 salala. The following day sekufanele sidrive phela sibuyele emuva la sihlala khona sonke naye la, ukuze kuvele kufanele ngihambe naye ngoba imoto yami angithi ngishiye kuyena. Athi unamanye ama-commitments, uyacela nje ukuthi i-weekend schedule yami sibukeka kanjani. Kwasho ukuthi ngenhlanhla my weekend is free. Athi uyacela ukuthi sihlale another night, sizobuyela kusasa nge-Sunday. He is going to make it worth my while. Well, mind you, Sisandile vele ngase inhliziyo yami yayisinabo ukuthi titi ngalo muntu wesilisa. Kuyikona ukuthi kunaleya red flag yokuthi phela angithi umuntu wakhona uthi akahamba ama-mall, akahamba ama-public spaces. Hayibo uyabalabala, mina kahle kahle mina ngizophila kanjani nomuntu ongazihambi iy'ndawo ezi-public. Hayibo phela nami ngifuna ukubonakala ukuthi sengiyajola. Uthi hhayi, that particular day-ke yena ehambile-ke eyoba busy-ke nama-commitments wakhe for the day, wanginikeza imali wangithi nje ngci nge-1K. Wathi bona ukuthi wenzani for the day, whether you go shopping, whether you find an activity that you can do, but just find a way to pass time because I'm gonna be back in the room very late. Uthi hhayi-ke kungabi very late-ke njengokusho kwakhe-ke shem, ngabo 5:30, 6 wabe sebuyile. Kusho ukuthi naye wayenayo into ethi phela khona mina endlini, phuthuma khona mina endlini. Hey, uthi wabuya Sisandile umuntu, Uthi makabuya umuntu wakhona-ke, he had already booked a dinner. Hhayi, angifuni ukungasho uromantic yena. He had already booked a dinner for us, and mind you, angithi wayethe akazihambe iy'ndawo ezi-public. So he booked a dinner for us kwihhotela la sasilele khona, and he made sure ukuthi our dinner was private. La kulesi space esasidlela khona thina soyi-two, bekuyithina soyi-two. And there were flowers when I arrived there, khona ama-chocolates, khona everything. Yabona nje, I was treated special. Ngazizwa ngi-special. Luckily, kuleya mali enginike yona emini ngayingathi ngakuqalaqalaza ezitolo ngathi shwishwi, ngahlangana nomsesanyana omuhle, ngawuthi nje wangifanela, ngangigqoke wona vele, even though I had not planned ukuthi ngangeke ngibuye, kodwa phela uma uyintombazane, you must be always be ready. So ngangiphekhile nje i-overnight nento yokuthi ngizoshintsha masibuya. So nhlanhla leyo ukuthi naye wayenginike leya 1K. Ngakwazi nje ukuzitholela nje something nyana ethe ukuba nice nyana ezitolo. So ngangigqoke lokho-ke nje ngibukeka nje ngi-smart casual, yabona nje ngiyilonto nje ngi-sexy, ngidimore, yes, kona lokho-ke. Uthi hhayi sabuyela-ke phezulu-ke endlini. Uthi ngicela ukukutshela sisandile ukuthi sathi mese sibuyela phezulu endlini, umuntu wakhona wavele wangenzela isimanga. Wavele wangiqukula mese sihambe iphasage. Wangiqukula masihambe iphasage, vele sasilale kula mahhotela-ke lawa ovele ufike uthi nje isikhiye sakhona uthi krr krr, sithi ti 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 ti, kube green kuvuleke. Wangiqukula sihambe iphasage. Ufike wangijikijela embhedeni umuntu. Wangicabuza, wangenza izinto zakhona. Yo, ngancibilika. Yabona u-ice cream oncibilikayo wase-workshop eThekwini, mosewuncibilikiswa ilanga, sowubheka umuntu wakho emehlweni, somgqolozela emehlweni, ungasawudli no-ice cream, sowuzidonsa. Kuthi ngase ngiconsa that way nami. Ngase ngiconsa kwalowa ice cream wase-workshop lowa, othi mosowugajwe uthando, ukhohlwe nawukuthi kufanele ukhothe. Uthi ngameltha sisandile. Wafika umzuzu omkhulu. Umzuzu omkhulu. Yebo! Yena wanginika umzuzu omkhulu. Uthi wesisandile. Imfino, uyayazi imfino eshiswe ilanga? Uthi into yakhona yavuka, mhlampe yavuka 5 seconds. Ngathi ngisathi ngi-excited ukuthi hhayi-ke izofakwa. Ngaze ngangena ezulwini elincane. Uthi yavele bu! Lapho sengincibilika kangaka sengidripha. Yazi sengidripha, dripping. Umuntu uzongigila igode liso. Uthi hhayi kwaphela umdlalo. Uthi umuntu wakhona-ke ngakusasa-ke Nkosi yami, wa-open up-ke waqaqa isifuba sakhe wathi nje ubona njengoba ngihleze ngisebenza day and night 24/7, iyona mpilo yami leyo ukuthi ngiyasebenza nje mina day in day out. Ngani? Ngoba ngine-prostate. I was at some point ngangiyi-patient ye-prostate cancer, kodwa they have healed it, kodwa yashiya ama-damages. So much such that ukuthi i-erection yami uma ngabe ilaste a minute kukhulu. Makuthiwa nje ilaste a minute kukhulu. Yingakho ngingenaye umuntu wesifazane empilweni yami. Yingakho ngingena-relationship. Nomfazi wangishiya wabaleka waxakwa yona le. Nabanye engihlangana nabo bayangishiya bangibaleke bexakwa yona le. Umbuzo wami ushela kanjani uzazi ukuthi unenkinga enkulu kangaka? Why abantu besilisa bangakwazi ukulungisa izinto zabo eziqoqa isidima sabo somehow, and find a way around it. Uyikhulume into before kuze kube ngazukuthi khona i-moment of embarrassment somewhere somehow. Men, ngidinga a men's conference with you on sexuality. Let's talk about this. Angithi siyakhulisana la, angithi siyafundisa, angithi we create awareness on all different things. And in fact, I'm going to pin the link of an episode that I did with one of the nurses where he was explaining how do we deal with izinto ezifana nabo prostate cancer and check ourselves up before they become worse. Ngoba umkhuba engizowuthethisela amadoda today ukuthi amadoda awazwani nokwenza ama-checkups until kuze kube nenkinga, and inkinga endodeni ijwayele ukubanjwa seyi-worse. Why madoda nikwenza lokhu? Why ningathandi uku-check-a nje? Thina abantu besifazane siyahamba siyo-check-a, sizitofo zamabele, senze ntontoni, senze o-pap smear. Nisuke nibona ukuthi siyahlanya mesenza lokho. Siphila emhlabeni where the life is fast, the food we eat kuyasigulisa, yonke into i-risk. It's very important ukuthi uye kadokotela kanye ngonyaka uyo-check-a nje yonke into esemzimbeni wakho ukuthi isebenza kahle, ngoba abantu besilisa banebhadi lokuthi umuntu by the time ibanjwe into e-wrong emzimbeni wakhe, ivele ibanjwe seku-late. So, I'm challenging men who watch this channel. Sexuality, pride, and confidence as mix. You cannot build a relationship on lies. When you know you've got a problem sexually that might affect your relationship, better deal with it before ulahlekelwa umuntu ocabanga ukuthi ungakha naye. From me to you, love and peace. Till we meet on that event on sexuality, right? Men's conference, that one. Women are allowed only if... I'll tell you next time.